I'm running out of the Gmail storage. Are you too? If so, it's the perfect time to fix it. In this video, I will show you how to unsubscribe from unwanted emails, optimize Google Photos, free up space, and more. Let's get started. First, let's find all the email that you subscribe to. Open your main email like this. Click Inbox. In the search mail here, type unsubscribe. Hit enter and you can see here all the lists that email that you subscribed before. Once you type unsubscribe here and click advanced search, and from you can name any of the emails or name of the sender that you want to unsubscribe from. For example, I'll choose any of them. Copy that, put in a name here, create filter, and you will see the mini window pop up here. Don't worry, we'll choose just only a few of them. First is skip the inbox. We'll tell the email that all the senders that we filter, the name that we put in the from, skip the main inbox. And then the second one is apply the label. Choose the label that you want to. For example, I will create new labels and I'll put update to. You can name any name that you like to, and then create. Choose the last one, click also apply filter to matching conversation. Create filter, and you can see at the labels section here, the update one that we create it's update now based on the email have sent to us. If you click here, it's all about the team TubeBuddy. Now that we have organized those emails, it's time to unsubscribe them. If you hover over each email here, you can see on the right hand side unsubscribe. You can click unsubscribe and then unsubscribe. What if you can't see the bottom of the unsubscribe here? Easy, you just go to the email and then scroll down to the bottom and you can see unsubscribe here as well. So unsubscribe from this email and follow the process and done. For example, I want to delete this all the TubeBuddy, delete it. Now repeat the process to any other senders that you want to unsubscribe from. Do the same, unsubscribe. Hit enter, Coursera, create filter, skip, label. I chose update to, and then match conversation, create filter. And if we go to update to, now is Coursera and TubeBuddy, and we do the same, unsubscribe them and then delete them. Now you might wonder, how long will it take? Honestly, it depends on how many subscriptions that you have, but trust me, the effort is worth it. The cleaner inbox that you have, the less stress and more focus on the emails that you actually matter. Next, let's find the large email and delete them. Back to the inbox. And in the search mail, type larger 10 megabyte, hit enter. And now take a time to look each of them, which one that you want to delete and which one you want to download to the external hard drive or to your computer. It depends on you. Next, let's move to managing Google Photos. Open your Google Photos. On the desktop, simply go to this square dot and select Photos. On mobile, simply go to Google Photo app, but I will show you in the desktop here. So take time to review them. Find the blurry photos, duplicate photos, and unnecessary videos. Select and delete them. This will free up your space a lot, I would say. Not ready to delete? No problems. Acquire them instead. To compressing accessing high quality files, go to Setting, click on the Manage Storage, scroll down, and you can see here Recover Storage. Compressing, click here. So I won't do this because I did myself already. So if you want to compressing your file, then you could do so. So I will skip this one. For long-term savings, recommend to switch your save file to storage saver. This one, click here. This reduces file size without sacrificing too much quality, and you can't tell what really different actually. I personally like to turn off the automatically backup. To do that on your mobile phone that you attach with the Gmail address, then go to Google account and go to photo app, open that, and your avatar, click on that and scroll down. You can see photo setting here, click on that, and then in the backup, this one, click there, and you can turn off there if you don't like Google Photo back up your file automatically to the storage that what you have. And that's why I like to turn off, because I don't like Google Photo to back up automatically my file. If I like, I just drag and drop to my drive by myself manually. If you need more storage for the photos, then I would say create a second Gmail account. Like for example, myself, I have already here, and then you could share this storage with the main primary one. To do that, you can go to the photos and then go to photo setting here, scroll down until you can see the sharing section here, and the arrow down, click here and select the partner sharing. Leave what it is here and click next. Enter the email that you would like to partner with. For example, for myself is the primary email here. I click that and click next and send invitation. And now let's open my primary email. Click on the update, just check, and you can see my second Gmail account. Send an invitation and view the invitation here. You can accept the invitation, and I think it's do the same process. Do next and then send invitation back. And now two of them will sharing the storage together. The good thing is, because my second account have pure 15 GB free, which is I can share that, plus with my primary one is 15 GB. So I got 30 GB to share for photos. We can save all the photos together and then do the same with another account, the second account. Go back to that and same. Here we go, you can see already, you can click that. So it will take time to upload those photos from primary to this storage. Here you can see already. If you want to get more storage without spending money, here's a smart workaround. Create additional Google account to access their 15 GB storage each. For example, I have 3 accounts already here that I created. I'm sure you can do too. Note some countries require unique phone number per account. Once you have set up the new account, share their storage with your primary one. Here is how. Open the Google Drive, click on this little dot here, click to Drive, and then create new. Here you can see this symbol on the top left. Create there, and new folder. Create new folder. Okay, and name the folder whatever you want. For me, I'd say Drive 1 and create it. As you can see, the new drive was created, and now is the time to share this folder to your primary email one. And by clicking this vertical dot and then share, and enter the name, your primary email name, and send the invitation. And then repeat the same process to your another secondary email account. For example, I have other 3 accounts that I want to share. I do this another one. Create new folder, Drive 2, create, and then this is the new folder, and go to vertical dot here, go to share, and enter your primary Gmail name and then send. And my last one. Now let's go check my primary one. Click to share with me, and I can see here it should be Drive 2. Where's the Drive 2 is? Here we go. I got 3 accounts share with me, which is each of them is 15 GB, and I got how much I got extends the free storage basically. By doing this, you can efficiently extend your storage capacity without spending a dime. While we are in Google Drive, let's clean it up by using the Manage Storage tool. It's identify large files and old document taking up space. Delete what you don't need or move them to external hard drive to free up the space and stay organized. Here's how. Open the Google Drive, click on the grid icon, the square dots here, and select the drive. In the bottom left corner, click Storage to view your current usage. In here, you can see already it's breakdown, like the blue is Google Drive and Google Photos, Gmails, and the others. Now we could look for the old document or the large file that's no longer used. You can take a moment, have a look at the file, modify what year that you want to see here. Okay, you use this filter, it's very helpful. And what type of document. For example, for me, I think this video is the highest eating space. So let me click videos, and I could move this file to the external hard drive by right click on it, and then I can download here to my desktop or my external hard drive. But for now, I will leave what it is. But if you have some big file, the video that you don't need, you just right click the same, and you could remove them, move to bin or delete forever here. I did delete some of them already. Now don't forget to empty your bin as well. Go to on your left side here, click on the bin. As you can see, this is all the file that I deleted, and empty it. Just select all, delete forever. There we go. See, it's reduced a bit here. I'm not worried about the storage anymore because I did have other 3 storage here that I can use, which is you should do too. For now, Gmail still allowed to do that, but what my concern is secondary Gmail account that I created, and might some point if I do not use or something, then Google they have the system that remove those accounts automatically. Then I really strongly recommend to keep those accounts be active or use them to avoid that delete. Okay, don't forget to revoke access to unused app. Some apps store data in your account. To remove them, go to your avatar here, manage your Google account, and scroll down until you can see your connections to third-party apps and services. Here we go. I got 18 and more. So see all the connection. Click to the app that you no longer use and connect them or delete them. For example, for me, I would delete some, delete all the connection, confirm, and that's it. The same with this. Okay, I have a lot. I'm not sure about you because I just registered my Gmail account to these apps, and now it's like a long list. So take time to do that. I think it's worth it for the sake of the pre-up space and also protect your data. If you want to know how much the storage that you are using across your Gmail account, like Drive and Photos, so click on your profile on the top right corner, select the Manage Google, and now is type storage here. So storage, and then account storage. Click here. And you can see this is how much that you are using. Okay, I'm using like for the Google Drive is 4 GB, Gmail is 1.3, which is I haven't managed all of them and haven't deleted all of them yet. So I just demonstrate on the video, and then after that I will delete and manage it quietly. And that's it. By unsubscribing unwanted emails, optimizing Google Photos, sharing storage, delete old files. Now I have nice space and I get back the space that I want, and also I don't worry about the notification that run out of the storage anymore. Thanks for watching. See you again the next video.